Good morning. Today we will learn about the risk factors of poverty and how living in poverty affects academic performance. Let us first talk about the risk factors associated with academic performance, such as parental care and living conditions. When children are born to mothers who are in poor health, constantly stressed, and they experience physical abuse and drug use, the development of the unborn baby is adversely affected. Toxins combined with other influencing factors have a significant influence on the development of the child. Unsafe environments typically cause children to form weak or anxious attachments, face emotional and social challenges, have acute and chronic stressors, health and safety issues, and cognitive delays. Children who are raised in poverty are faced with overwhelming challenges that affluent children never have to confront. Environment affects the receptors in the brain that send messages to genes that turn various functional switches on or off. Genes can either be activated or shut off by a host of factors in the environment, and these factors can impair learning and memory. This really does not mean that success in school or life is impossible for the children. However, it is important to understand their challenges. Beginning at birth, the attachments formed between the parent and child predicts the quality of future emotional and social stability. Children raised in poverty have deficits in getting their crucial needs met, which impairs their emotional and social development. In homes with poverty, time is short, parents lack education, and opportunities to learn are limited. Single parents work long hours with limited emotional, physical, and financial support. Overstressed parents are sometimes harsh discipliners, and they do not demonstrate warmth and sensitivity towards their children. In addition to the previously mentioned factors, low social economic children are often left at home to fend for themselves, and they do not have the opportunity to attend after-school programs or get help with their schoolwork. The need for human warmth is well established, and children need safe and predictable circumstances. These deficits can be overcome and strengthened with the right support and guidance from compassionate and sincere adults. Understanding the circumstances of the parents provides insights and opportunity to better understand the child. Children always need and want the love and acceptance of their parents. But however, other adults can provide support as well. The absence of a secure environment is detrimental to student success. However, there are strategies and support to help the child become successful. You can't change your students' home circumstances, but you can support them emotionally. There is a soft side to the students that runs their brains, their feelings, and their behaviors, and their need to feel accepted to become successful in all areas of their lives. Students want to belong somewhere, and socialization is the drive for acceptance that encourages them to imitate their peers and join groups. It is important to incorporate strategies that build relationships and strengthen peer acceptance. Evidence suggests that the relationships that teachers build with students form the single strongest asset to student motivation and successful goals. It requires a shift in thinking to effectively support and influence positive behavior and success for students from poverty. Rather than telling kids what to do, demonstrate appropriate emotional responses and the circumstances in which you need to use them. Cooperation, patience, empathy, gratitude, and forgiveness are all crucial to running a successful classroom for all students, and especially for students who lack these social experiences. We will now break into 3 or 4 person groups to briefly discuss and share what you have learned from this lesson. Thank you.